Alright. So, just now, a watch was issued. It's not yet processed. I know Muncie's gonna go off right after that segment. I don't know if IWX is in this watch. I have not seen the watch. Mom just told me it just popped up on the TV. Hey, TV got it before IMBot got it. IMBot's going a little slow today. So I got like a little middling walkie-talkie with KJY. KJY's probably going to transmit it here in a minute. Once it goes through the thing. Here we go. First watch of the year.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 26. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, in Indiana, Randolph. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
Seriously, they left Grant out of the watch?
Development of severe weather, including large hail and damage.
Delaware's in it. What? Hold on, let me look at the.
While severe weather may
I'm
not
kind
be
of upset now. We should have gotten that watch.
rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to the latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a